The Ministry of Health is targeting to immunize over 800,000 children aged below 5 years following the discovery of a polio virus in Nairobi. The anti-polio campaign will run from 9th to 13th of this month. The polio virus type 2 was discovered at a sewer in Isli Estate in March this year. Caroline B. has details of that story for you.
Years of hard work to completely wipe out polio and pronounce Kenya a polio-free country has been jolted. This follows the discovery of polio virus type 2 at a sewer in Isli's Kamukunji area, sending the Ministry of Health into an emergency mode.
This outbreak is considered a regional outbreak because it involves Somalia as well as Kenya, and it may soon involve Ethiopia, we fear.
Put more money in sanitation, put more money in surveillance at the county levels.
The ministry, together with other health stakeholders, have responded by rolling out immunization campaigns for children below 5 years, beginning end of this week, to cover Nairobi and other high-risk counties of Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Kajiado, Lamu, Tana River, Garissa, Meru, Kiambu, Machakos, among others, in June and July.
Has been free of the wild polio virus since 2014, but continues to be at risk of polio transmission due to human movement across our borders.
As religious leaders, we seek to actively participate in the current, subsequent polio immunization campaigns.
The type 2 virus, similar to one discovered in Somalia last October, is potentially infectious, putting the Horn of Africa on high alert. The virus gets into the human body when the stool of an infected person is introduced into the mouth of another through contaminated water or food. Polio has no cure, but preventable through immunization.
It remains still our responsibility as individuals, as technocrats, even as Kenyans, to ensure that we participate in efforts that the government has put in place.
This is not only a national, it's also a regional, but it's an international setback, no question.
Most infected people have no symptoms or have mild symptoms, but often go unrecognized. Polio attacks the nervous system and can cause paralysis, especially in children under 5 and the elderly. Other measures fronted by the ministry to tackle the possible outbreak include screening and immunization of refugee children below 15 years entering the country through refugee camps. Caroline B., KTN News.